Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2009 Jeep Compass Sport 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1633PA. Only 64,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep water blue in color. Compass seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline for greater comfort, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Again, only 64,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115 volt outlet, perfect for charging media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Compass, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.